Okay, I'm Mr. Wagner. We are going to learn reading.
Excuse me, Mr. Wagner, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, but hurry back.
I'm going to pull down a fire alarm.
The fire alarm is here. Let's get out of the building.
The good news is there's no fire. Wait, the bad news. Someone pulled that fire alarm for no reason. It was Juan. I'll send you to my office now. Juan, I understand you've pulled the fire alarm. You're expelled. Go home now.
Juan, you're grounded from getting expelled.
Go to bed right now and stop crying as a baby.